here by taking a new video on infertility and art, art. So in this video we will study these two topics. Uh, before this topic is from class 12th biology. Uh, First we will study what is infertility. Whenever we talk of reproductive health, what the definition is given by the WHO, without without the talking of reproductive health or without including the reproductive health, this definition of reproductive health is incomplete. Means this is a very important uh, uh, for defining the this is a very important term while defining the reproductive health. So we will begin with the infertility. So this is the inability to conceive or produce the children by a couple even after the 2 years of unprotected sexual cohabitation. So this is called as the infertility, or in few words, in very simple language we can say the couple is unable to produce children. That is called as infertility. So this is not a case of India only, but this is for the world. So there are specialized health centers, healthcare units. They are called as the infertility clinics, and here the problems are diagnosed. Okay, what is the cause for the infertility? So that problem is diagnosed, and whatever treatment is possible, they are given or they are suggested to the couples. So now what could be the possible causes of infertility? So we have the probable reason. One, it may be congenital or hereditary diseases, or the infertility may be because of use of certain drugs, and maybe immunological responses, or the cause may be psychological. So these are the possible, and more could be there. Now what is art? The problems are there, means the infertility is there, and what are the ways by this the infertility can be solved? So that whole uh, solution is included in the art. So art is assisted reproductive technologies. So by these technologies, those couples can have their children. So this is the art. So means if the corrective treatments are not possible or not available, then there are some techniques, special techniques are there, and those techniques are called as the assisted reproductive technologies, that is art. So these technologies help the couple. So technologies are there, more technologies are there, some of them are here, and that is test tube baby program. See, its name is test tube baby program, but it doesn't mean the baby is produced in the test tube. No, not at all. Only whenever we say test tube baby program, means actually we are talking of in vitro fertilization, means the fertilization is going on outside the body. So that is test tube baby program. So that is there. Then gift is there. In the same way, gift is also there. Then intracytoplasmic sperm injection is another technique, and artificial insemination. So many techniques are there. So we will study these techniques one by one. So first we'll begin with the test tube baby program. So this is the method in which the ovum of the women, means the women, the wife could be there, and if wife is not able to produce the ovum, then there could be a donor, And in the same way sperms, either there would be a husband or the donor. So their gametes are taken and they are fused in vitro, means in the laboratory condition, and this is called as the in vitro fertilization. Means the zygote is formed outside the body and later on the embryo is implanted in the fallopian tube or uterus for the further development of fetus. So this whole is the test tube baby program, and more techniques are there. It is a general thing how it is done. Now the technique intracytoplasmic sperm injection. In this method, the sperm is injected directly into the ovum, and as a result it leads to the formation of zygote and then the embryo, and embryo is transferred to the mother's body. Now another technique gift is there, that is gamete intrafallopian transfer. In this method there is transfer of an ovum which may be of wife or it is collected from the donor. It is collected from a donor, and uh, we just select another female for the fertilization for the further development of fetus. So this is the gift technique. Artificial insemination. This is another technique. In this method, the semen is collected from the husband or any healthy donor, and then it is artificially introduced into the vagina or into the uterus. So this is done. So this method is especially adopted when infertility is due to the inability of the male partner to inseminate the female, or maybe the sperm counts are very low in the semen. That time this method is adopted. GIFT, another technique, GIFT. This is zygote intrafallopian transfer. So this is a boon to the couples where the female cannot conceive naturally. So in this method, fertilization is carried out in vitro, and embryo, when it is of 8 blastomeres or 8 celled stage, then it is transferred to the fallopian tube. So this is GIFT, where the zygote is shifted. Now a very small assignment is there, which is carrying some questions like differentiate between ICSI and GIFT, IUT and IUI, what is artificial insemination in art, and the question asking probable causes of the infertility.